Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This is going to be a two-part video. Somebody's say they go control page down and it doesn't put it in the back of the layer. It actually opens up an insert page. So I suggested he take it and just go to objects order. And I never use back of layer, which is page down. I always use just back of page. Now there is a difference. So there we go, we got it to the back. So that's how I do it. But that is going, you're taking your mouse and you're not using, but the other way is a two-key stroke. So if we go order, you've got to go control end to get it there. Well, I use it a lot and I never thought about it because I don't mind going up here, but it might solve his problem and help you a little bit. And this will work, you don't have to write a macro, this will just work. If we go to Tools, Options, Customization, and go back of page, back of layer, you can see it's shift page down. Well, really, I want back of page, which is control N, okay? So that's a two-key stroke. Let's add one, and just almost all my keys are taken up, but I'm just gonna hit the period and assign it, and then say okay. So now when I want that to the back of the layer, I just have to hit the period key, and vice versa if I want that to the back of the layer. So it's a one-key stroke, taking away two keys, or taking away going up here and going, that away. So just think, it's really easy to make another hotkey, even though that hotkey is being used. So now I've got basically two keys that'll do it. One of them's a two key, one of them's a one key. And if I want that, I'm just gonna have to hit the period and it'll put it back a page. I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.